Okay, today guys we'll be discussing about how to convert coordinates from Excel into QGIS. So let's say this is our Excel coordinate. You can see names of industry, town, states. The most important is the coordinate, the latitude and longitude. So you can arrange it anyhow. You can, since you have all the coordinates, you can just arrange it anyhow. Can you see now how I arrange mine? So you can also do like this too. Good. So when you've done this, so when you want to save this Excel file, just come here, click on save as. Navigate wherever you want to save it. So you save as, you can check under the file name, you see save as type. So you click on it, then you click on this CSV comma delimited. You can see comma delimited, then save. Good. So then you go to your QGIS software, open a new page. So this is the new page now. Then you come over to this layer. So you want to overlay the Excel from Excel file inside this QGIS, so that it will pin out the locations of each point. So click on layer, then add layer. So then move down to add delimited text layer. You can see the fourth layer, delimited text layer. Then click on it. Okay, then this file name, the first icon, the first line up here, file name, click on these three dots here, then search for where your file, your Excel file is located. Then click on it, then open the Excel documents. So okay, you've opened it. So can you see this X feed? Your X feed is your longitude, because in your own QGIS it might be blank. So click on this X feed, longitude, Y feed, latitude. Leave this Z and M. We're not dealing, because this Z is the height. So we do not need that one for now. So click on add. Good. So you can see the points have been the points has been shown on the map. So for you to know where the location is, so you can now decide to know where the location is by adding maps, by going to web and quick map. I think I taught you that in my previous lessons, this previous tutorial, so you know how to do that. So thank you very much for watching the video to the end. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. So that's all for today.